goes there. No, you had it
Yeah,
right.
that was right. You had it in the right place.
You find the woodpecker.
Woodpecker.
Bullet.
What a kind of bullet? What a kind of bullet? Hey,
Gold bullet.
No, it's
Where's
called
the mouse's
a kind
body?
of blue bullet.
Getting distracted now.
Anthony, you find the mouse's body.
Now, Dad.
Hang on a minute. So it's the 15th of April, isn't it? So Ant's just over 2. He's, what, 2 years and 2 months?
Whereas Taylor is 3 years and 11 months.
Yeah.
And Ant is doing a jigsaw.
Yeah. Now, let me have a look.
And we're recording it. Because he's pretty good at jigsaws.
But I want to call it.
No, he did the last one pretty much all by himself.
Yeah. I just want to help him.
I don't think he needs any help actually, Taylor.
You don't need some?
That's it.
He doesn't need
I
help.
think we've got a little genius here, 2-year-old doing jigsaws.
Let me
So
try.
don't put your hands over.
I want to do one.
Hang on.
Can I do one?
In a minute, let's just see if Ant finishes this jigsaw and then you can do a video. Just turn it around so you can say hello.
Anthony.
And say hello.
Hello.
Hello. I think even Ant might see what's going on there.
Dad,
Yeah.
I miss you when you go to work.
Ah, I miss you too, Taylor.
Oops, said that easy.
You go to work.
Yeah.
I just, my legs are on the high one and my button is on here. There.
Yeah, that's right.
Let me see.
Look, he's only got four more pieces to do.
Yep.
Hang on a minute. Look, no, don't spoil it. I don't want to use this one for posterity. To show how clever my son is.
No.
Try and put it somewhere else. Try that one.
Okay. Dad, can I have a lick? Only
Just let me
3
finish.
pieces to go. 3 pieces to go. 3 pieces to go. 3 pieces to go. Ah! Ah!
You slipping?
Yeah!
Where are you going?
I'm on the floor.
Look at that. It's the last piece.
Can we sit
Hang on a
on the
minute.
floor?
In a second.
Mum, can we sit on the floor?
Yay! Well done, Ant. Look at that. You clever
No,
boy.
Mummy! Mummy, can we
What
sit
is
on the
it?
floor?
You're taking it apart already. That's the snake, isn't it? From the Gruffalo. Or the Go-Go. And what's that?
Mummy.
Yeah, and what's that?
Mouse. Can we sit on the
Mouse.
floor?
You see the woodpecker?
Woodpecker.
That's right. And what else? What about this down here? Look. What's that? Ant, what's that there? Is that
Go-go.
the Go-Go?
You can sit on the floor. Mum's got to sit up here while...
We're going to do another one.
But I want to sit